So what is Bible Journey? Bible Journey is a chapter by chapter look at the Bible, and it will be for 30 minutes a day. So it will be very disciplined and focused so that we can complete the whole Bible in a year or two. So we'll start with New Testament and then we will go into Old Testament. So it will also be in very simple English, which most of us can understand in India. The second thing is why it has to be daily, so that we have a discipline, so that we know that we can start something and we can also finish it. So how can you watch this Bible journey or participate in this? Is that, I recommend that you also read the chapter that we are going to cover. You read that and then you come and understand through this 30-minute video. So you can do it through two ways. One is there will be a Zoom meeting where these videos will be played, or you can also watch it on YouTube, this same channel called Bible Journey, and we will be adding it every day and you can watch it. So you can start at any time and you can end at any time. And also there is a form in the description section, where you have to sign up, so that we can contact you through email or phone and we can get you started. So please make sure there is a form at the description section and you can fill that form. Okay, so this is the Bible journey. This is the plan. It's going to be practical and very simple, because many young people and new believers have come and asked me, brother, how do I start the Bible? How do I start reading the Bible? There are some things that I don't understand. So Bible journey is a plan so that we can all understand. You don't need to be highly educated or anything. You just have to have a heart to read God's word and understand God's word. And as we go through the Bible, we are going to learn many things. But also, there is another option. It's called a certificate option. If you want more accountability, or if you want a certificate that you have completed this course, this is only optional. What you can do is, there is a option where if you are interested, we will send 3 simple questions after that 30-minute video. 3 simple questions, so that you will reply that through an email or through your phone message. Very simple questions. So why you might ask me why we have to reply? It's because, just for accountability, so that that you can also be disciplined, so that you can watch and you can understand and you can reply those 3 questions very easily if you watch the 30 minutes. So this is part of the certificate track. But again, it is optional if you choose to. But if you don't want the certificate, you can watch it at any time. But we also recommend that you start and you end this. Let's see how God's word, the power of God's word, can change each one of our lives.